Do you want to know how evil paid off YouTubers and media outlets can be? Look no further than MULN stock. MULN received a $20 million cash infusion according to Investor Place. This article was published 2 days ago, right before the stock dumped 30%. Call it what you want, disgusting, wrong, horrible. News articles like the ones you just saw are designed to take your money by getting you to invest in bad stocks. MULN stock is down 30% since June 5th when that news article was released, and MULN stock right now on June 7, 2023 is trading at 52 cents as of 10:07 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. MULN stock successful EV event. This was 2 weeks ago, back when MULN stock was trading at $1.50, and MULN stock is at 50 cents now, meaning that anyone who listens to these media outlets, to these news outlets who are repeatedly telling you to buy bad stocks right before they dump, is losing money in the stock market. I've called over 130 short squeezes in the past year with a 90% success rate on trades called publicly on this YouTube channel. In yesterday's video, we covered a single stock ticker COIN, while everyone else was selling after the SEC sued Coinbase Global. We were buying the stock at $51 with a price target at $53. You can see the proof right here. I announced that I was selling coin at $51.87 as one of my profit targets, but I had more profit targets in the Discord. You can see that Coinbase Global rallied to $53.14 as of June 7, 2023, 10:24 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Coin is the only stock that we covered yesterday, so while a lot of other traders are calling out 10, 20, 30 different stocks, we focused on just one, and that stock was a winning trade. Coin could have made you $4,000 in profit if you bought 2,000 shares of coin and sold at our $53 price target. Now, where was this $53 price target? It was in the Discord. In the Discord on June 6th, I announced at 10:28 a.m. Pacific Standard Time that we were buying COIN stock at $51 and we were selling at $52 and $53.45. The coin video was published at 12 p.m., but the Discord call out was at 10:28 a.m. Pacific Standard Time with exact price targets. We have Clamps here in the Discord who made $750 in profit. Kiana Cutie made $500 in profit trading another call out called CXAI. It takes me time, right? How am I going to get the information to you more quickly? Because it takes me time to record these videos, edit them, and go over the process and tutorials to teach you how to day trade. But if you're in the Discord, how much sooner will you get the call outs? How much more money will you make? Don't expect MULN to make you money. Don't expect MULN to make you money, because a lot of paid off YouTubers are telling you to buy MULN stock so that you can lose money and they can make money because they get paid off by MULN and by other professional trading companies who want you to buy the stock so that they can dump the stock even more. If you want to start making money and you're tired of losing money, then click the link below and join my private Discord. I'm going to set you up with actual winning trades. I'm the only trader who will never accept payouts from stock companies telling me that if you publish a video covering this stock, then we're going to give you this amount of money. I'm not in the business to lose traders money. I'm in the business to make you money. That's why I called out Coin Global to you, so that you can make money while everyone else is trying to make you lose money. A lot of stock trading channels and a lot of stock media outlets were telling you to sell COIN stock because the stock was dead because of the SEC announcement. But I warned you that we can actually make money on this stock. We can make money on COIN if we buy it at $51 and we sell it at $53. And that's exactly what happened. We got the rally soon after that video was published. Literally 1 day after that video was published, coin started to pump. And this is what I do for traders consistently, and this is what I want to do for you by showing you how to trade MULN and also showing you how to trade other winning stocks. So MULN did what was known as a bull trap. It went through a small bounce, that caused the stock to rally, but that rally was only meant to trap more traders in the trade. Okay, just like when media outlets release bad media articles designed to trap you in a trade, they'll say that a stock can go up to some crazy price target, or some amazing cash infusion is going to lead the stock to nirvana. But in reality, the stock is not going to go up over time. It's going to continue going down. They're merely creating this interest in order to get you to invest in the stock, so that other traders who have interest at lower price levels can dump the stock on you and take your money. So what is a bull trap? So a bull trap looks like this, right? You can see the bull going over there to the mouse trap, but a bull trap really is like that. So media outlets will lure you into buying a stock by spiking a stock. That's how they do it. They'll make the stock spike up, but then they'll quickly push the stock back down. So whenever you see a stock spike up and then quickly come back down, that's probably a bull trap. So these bull traps are meant to, again, get you to buy into the stock so that they, and by they I mean the banks, the professional traders, the paid off YouTubers, can sell the stock, they can short sell the stock and profit as the stock falls. So don't fall for the bull trap. MULN was a clear bull trap, which is why I published so many videos warning you not to buy MULN. And I want to show you here that trades and the stock market operates on the principles of supply and demand. The more supply there is, the more shares outstanding, the harder it is to move a stock. Now, MULN has a small market cap, comparatively small market cap, which means that it's fairly easy for large institutions, banks, to manipulate the stock. So this is why I've never liked Mullen stock, because it's very easy for banks to manipulate MULN stock and get it to move the way that they want to, so that they can trap you and they can take your money. So this is another reason why I don't like MULN stock, because it has such a low float that the stock can be easily manipulated and banks can easily take your money or take advantage of natural emotions which you'll feel, which are fear and greed, right? So this is the bear trap, or the bull trap, should I say, on June 7th, right? I took this screenshot of MULN stock, and you can see how the stock went up really quickly, and then it came back down all the way and continued to fall from there. So this is a bull trap in action. Banks always plan to dump MULN stock and take your money. They pump the stock a few pennies in order to get you to buy MULN stock, so that they can push the price of MULN lower and profit off of the difference between where you bought the stock and where they short sold the stock. So MULN is technically a manipulated stock, and that's why MULN has fallen as much as it has. So a lot of traders are wondering, if Mullen is a good company, then how is it that the stock continues to fall? Well, regardless of the value of Mullen as a company, and the company really isn't making any revenue right now, we have to look at the technical chart for MULN to see what hedge funds are doing and what hedge funds believe the stock will do. We had a number of news outlets and YouTubers cover Mullen stock at about $1.50 and up, saying that Mullen could short squeeze. They were trying to play off of the retail mind of, if I buy this stock, it can short squeeze, I can make 100%, 1,000% on it. But this never happened. The short squeeze never happened. And I want to make sure you understand this. When media outlets and when paid off YouTubers tell you to buy a stock because it can short squeeze, there's a high probability that that short squeeze will never happen. So I need you to watch your back and make sure you're listening to the right information sources. I am an independent trader, and I've been trading for 11 years. I've helped hundreds of traders make money in the stock market, and that's exactly what I want to do for you by showing you all of these secrets that nobody talks about because nobody knows. Because I've actually gone to hedge funds, I've actually taught brokers who trade at hedge funds how to trade stocks. So everything that I tell you is behind the scenes stuff you won't get anywhere else. And I want to help you produce money in the stock market consistently. And so the way that I want to do that is by first showing you all of the different intricacies that go into the banks and the institutions and how they manipulate the stock market, but then also showing you how to fight back against this and actually start profiting. So on farm stock, that's a stock that I called out in the Discord this morning. I am the only trader who refuses to, again, call out these pump and dump stocks. Instead, I was looking at farm stock this morning. We had Matt PR on farm. He said this is the easiest money I ever made just by buying the stocks which I've pre-vetted and I've already done due diligence on. Some of these traders are making money, right? You can make money off of high quality stocks if you buy and sell them at the right prices. So my traders will gladly vouch for that. And one thing that I can promise you is I will never betray you. Okay, I will never take a payment from some company that would lead you to lose money. From the start, when I created this business, it wasn't so that I can just get rich and I can make all this money. Okay, if there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's not to join the Discord. Okay, it's actually to stop listening to bad traders that are paid off, traders who will take your money gladly and they don't care what happens to your trading account. Okay. Now the private Discord is available, and the private Discord, I'm totally fine with promoting that because it's, you think about how much money you've lost in the stock market and how much the private Discord actually costs, it's $97 a month. If my $97 a month private Discord can stop you from losing hundreds or thousands of dollars in the stock market, what would prevent you from actually joining the Discord if my Discord can do that for you? Now I don't know if the Discord can do that for you, but if you give it a try for a month, you can cancel anytime. I do believe that I can help you find some winning trades and start thinking differently about the stock market. My name is Coach Koda. This has been our coverage of Mullen and why Mullen is no longer a good stock to trade. If you want to learn about how earnings are manipulated by professional traders, please watch this video right here and see you next time.